Experience the unrivaled clarity and power of a 4K UHD dashcam, the ultimate solution for capturing every crucial detail on the road. With twice the potency of 2K QHD and an astounding 8 times more vividness and power than traditional HD, this cutting-edge device revolutionizes your recording experience. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best 4K car dash cams you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting Nexar One, ranked as the 5th best 4K car dash cam on the market. With remote streaming capabilities, subscribers can access their live feed from anywhere, anytime, with a Nexar Connect subscription priced at $9 per month. Experience superior quality recordings with crystal clear HD imagery powered by Sony technology, providing a wide 140-degree exterior angle day or night, along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Enjoy premium features such as cloud backup and real-time parking alerts, ensuring your vehicle's safety is always monitored. Nexar One simplifies post-collision procedures with its one-click insurance report feature, generating detailed reports with video evidence and key information to streamline insurance claims, saving time, money, and stress. Drivers can rely on Nexar's cutting-edge features and advanced technology for confidence in their passengers and vehicle safety. Priced at $349, Nexar One offers peace of mind alongside 24/7 support accessible through the Nexar app, ensuring prompt assistance for any issues that may arise. Meet the Cobra SC 400D, ranked as the number 4 best 4K car dash cam. Offering unparalleled clarity with UHD video 4K resolution, it captures every detail of your drive. Its unique feature set includes an integrated Alexa, providing hands-free assistance from music playback to navigation, enhancing your driving experience. The 3-view capability integrates a rear-view accessory camera, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your surroundings day or night. Enjoy heads-up navigation for safer driving, with on-screen prompts for upcoming turns. Additionally, live police alerts, incident reports, and mayday alerts enhance safety and security on the road. The Cobra SC 400D's connectivity extends with exclusive shared alerts, tapping into the Drive Smarter community for real-time updates. Compatible with Apple CarPlay, it seamlessly integrates with your existing setup for a cohesive driving experience. Packed with advanced features, the Cobra SC 400D delivers unmatched value at an affordable price point, making it the ultimate companion for every journey, priced at $390. Standing tall as the 3rd best 4K car dash cam, the BlackView DR9 70X LTE exudes excellence tailored specifically for North American users. Its incorporation of built-in 4G LTE connectivity redefines convenience by ensuring seamless cloud connectivity without the need for additional hardware. The front camera, boasting an impressive 8-megapixel CMOS sensor, captures moments in stunning 4K ultra-high-definition resolution at a smooth 30 frames per second, offering an expansive 155-degree view angle to encompass the entirety of your surroundings. Meanwhile, the rear camera, equipped with a 2.1-megapixel Sony Starvis sensor, delivers crystal-clear full HD footage at the same frame rate, with a wide 139-degree view angle for comprehensive coverage. Streamlining the setup process is the seamless pairing feature, facilitated through the BlackVue app. This intuitive interface simplifies the connection process, allowing users to effortlessly access dashcam files, adjust settings, and establish cloud connectivity with minimal effort. Priced competitively at $596, the Blackview DR9 70X LTE transcends the boundaries of conventional dashcams with its innovative features and robust functionality. Experience the clarity of the Kenwood DRV A601W 4K dash cam, ranked 2nd among the top 4K car dash cams. Boasting 4K Ultra HD recording and wide dynamic range technology, the DRV A601W captures crystal clear footage day or night, Its dual camera system records both the front and rear views, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your journey. Effortlessly access and share video files via Wi-Fi connectivity to your smartphone. The package includes a 64 GB micro SD card for ample storage, along with adhesive and suction-backed mounts for versatile installation options. Additionally, Kenwood provides a vehicle charger for continuous power supply. With an 8.3 megapixel front camera and a 3.7 megapixel wide quad high-vision rear camera, this dashcam offers high-definition recording and seamless wireless data transfer to your mobile device. Priced at $299, it delivers exceptional value for superior performance and convenience. Say hello to the Nextbase IQ 4K, hailed as the premier choice among 4K car dash cams. Packed with cutting-edge features, it offers unparalleled security and peace of mind on the road. Smart Sense Parking utilizes advanced technology to alert you to potential threats and monitor activity around your parked vehicle, empowering you to intervene before incidents occur. Guardian Mode lets you set customized speed and location limits, with instant alerts if these boundaries are breached. With Witness Mode, simply activate the feature to securely capture and share live footage of any concerning situation with a trusted contact. In the event of an accident, Emergency SOS Response ensures swift assistance by dispatching emergency services and sharing critical location and medical information. RoadWatch AI provides invaluable evidence, allowing you to review the speed of surrounding vehicles in recorded footage. For $699, the Nextbase IQ 4K offers unmatched functionality and peace of mind for drivers seeking top-tier safety solutions. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.